All right. So anytime you see this kind of news about what is going on in Enugu State, the Fulani's activities in Enugu State is still on, very much on, and that is why I want to bring to you this particular update. Some of you know how Fulani have dealt with the harmful people. The current governor of Enugu State, people say that he's trying his best. Some said no. So I'm not here to tell you whether he's trying his best or not, because I am not there. But the only thing I want us to know is that Fulani is actually dealing with people of Enugu State, and that this news, which that is why we're here anyway. And the news is about these headers, how they went to someone's home, and the woman happened to be pregnant. They knocked at the door and begin to beat her up, and the husband as well. They forced them to to follow them to the bush. Anyway, I will just bring the news to you. But before then, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I don't know what to say because some of us are actually sleeping on this particular threat. Many people are sleeping on that until it happened to your relative or your loved one, God forbid. Then your sense of reason will then be activated. I don't know what you're waiting for. Even if one thing is that the equipment they have, we don't have it in Igbo land. Sorry to say that. The only thing we have is God. That is what we have. Because they have many people, they have their Fulani from other African countries. They are flooded in northern part. In fact, they are being dispatched to different parts in Nigeria today, both in Biafra land, in Yoruba land. They are everywhere, doing the same thing, which is making sure that they pave way for their brothers to conquer. And for them to conquer you is to buy you, reducing you in numbers and using government to back it up. So everything that you may find, you may think that is going to be your helper, or maybe the only hope you have, they have all been compromised. To the extent that those that normally tell us that portray themselves as if they're activists, they are human rights activists and all of them have been bought over. We saw the issue of the news about Harlan Oyama, which some people are still not picking the point on that. I don't know what to say, but honestly, I am expecting our people to wake up, and I'm expecting those who say they are politicians to do something. I'm expecting some of you, because I know not everybody is in support of Biafra, to do something about it. Instead, people focus on calling their brothers and sisters names and organizing them, especially those who claim that CS is a Haramatu Abubakar, whatever they call that. You are using dictionary lies and propaganda why the land is being taken away from you. Funny enough, those who are actually delaying the protection of our people, they are the one to quick to make this kind of allegation that, oh, our land is bleeding and a woman, but you are the one trying to working hard to stop woman from protecting themselves. Imagine calling people who have devoted their time to engage in self-defense, calling them terrorists, and in the next hour you on your camera and started saying, "Oh, Umajana, get the game cause," which I'm not against it, but the thing is that how can you call people who are into self, who map out their time, devote their time, risking their life to defend the land? You call them terrorists, and then you ignore the terrorist itself. That makes you one of the enabler. Anyway, please, like I said, do me a favor by making sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Now let's go through this news and credit to the source. Credit to the source of this video. I mean, the video we're about to listen to. I have to, send my shout out to him. Listen.
Madam, sorry, oh. Sorry. We dey enter hospital now like this. Just think I very short. Brief one, everything might happen now.
na ya ada anyị na-ashat neighbor man a anọ m n'ime ụlọ neighbor man akpọwa m shi mommy mama help me mommy mama help me nchekwa na mpi ya bi die bi ihe na-etie ihe so she waiting tell me help am.
And she dey pregnant?
Yes. Immediately I open my door, all of them carry am, push am, enter inside.
How many of them?
6 in number.
With arm?
Yes, sir.
6 in number.
Then continue.
So, ha tiwezi anyị ihe. N'ime na ha tiwedela anyị ihe, sha biko ebupe na anyị.
They come. They come. They talk wetin happen.
Osha anyị fụwa, sha biko ebupe na anyị. Oshem na ọ ga-egbukwa anyị fụwa. Wuru ihe a na-apịacha anyị n'ụkwụ.
Ndị a na-apịa nsanda?
Na-apịazi anyị. Ahụ anyị niile ebucha asị ya n'ụkwụ. Nwaanyị asụzela anyị shize azụ shalom paint.
What of Ndabata? What of the husband? What happened to the husband?
I don't know.
Okay, they have half. Okay. How many Okay. How many are there?
6.
6 of them. Which tribe?
Na Hausa. Fulani.
Igbo dey there?
I don't know whether Igbo there, but the face resemble one person. The face resemble Igbo. Mana o meche were ihe cover iwe m dazi newe ọ chọrọ mma mụọla wezielu okwu chizie ihe.
Okay, eduzere mbawazie n'ime ọfịa.
Eduzere anyị bawanye n'ime ọfịa.
Ka akpọzi 200 million.
Ọ sị na 500 million. Anyị sha na ya nwekwa ego. So ọsha anyị menye phone anyị. So
okay, it's okay.
So oge ndị security na-agagharị n'ime ọhịa since from 10 o'clock abalị ahụ. See now, una na-anụ noise ma ọ bụ n'okwu ndị security ma egbe ha na-agba n'ime ọhịa.
Anyị na-anụ noise egbe ha. Feel ọnọ ndị otu ha. So ga ha ma nụ anyị nụ egbe ha nwa nụkwa anyị ọsha anyị ọya move. Anyị gawakwa n'ihu. Nọkọtazie ọhafuzi anyị.
Aba n'ime ọhịa. So ihe na-eske ha bụ egbe ha na-agba n'ime ọhịa.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. No problem.
It's okay.
So I didn't take one now to hospital.
You are taking this woman to hospital because all the pregnant, and that DNA, but it's okay.
His Excellency, Governor Peter Mba, Governor of Enugu State, Agbani Manabani Sike, Nde Fulani, whether more Fulani, more Wundi Igbo, more windows of Haboro, Ebuchakwana Hande na Achio. Tinye more security na begging, add more strength. Agbani Manabani Pusik, add more. Bani more, less on the choice green at Chindem Madi. Neptazi Chiba on the Madi, Chiba, Osisindi Chiba, Umbefi, Magane Enugu na state, I man rota, Obi Royana, Manaya Mazi and Mekata, because I was up upon all can Enugu. Tinye more na security, insecurity. No, in Enugu. And I'm an man, add poor more strength, add poor more. Unu get men see man to a camera everywhere. They dictate. Amorobagas. Nigeria get men Ego na na this country get men see add you are dictating cameras. Have Monday Arigase. Yes, I witnessed that, but see add one more. Unu got China when they have Nigeria. My satellite, a fish wenda. What I'm on the Monda, so does have Briama Wonia, no Mekome. Taco ham none, upon you. In Agapo Nubu, Morana, there would.
All right, so I don't know what to say, honestly, because I don't see any solution from even governors. I don't see any solution anywhere. The only solution that somebody like me have has been taken away, which is PM and Mazen Namodekano. And they know that's why they go after them. They know what they're doing, and that's why they decided to go after them. And an average Nigerians, all of them that clap and supported it. Even some of our brothers now that is crying, making some short videos, complaining about Fulani and the woman they America. These are people that once started PM Amazon Mekano's name. So, Michael, I'm going to end it here. Let me hear from you. What do you think should be the solution? God bless you and see you again. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again.